there's a popular woman of God in this country. We're ministering in the same conference. And so I had the opportunity to fly with her back. And I kid you not, in a 1-hour trip, she thanked God 10 times for simple things. So someone chartered a private jet for us. So now, I know she has flown a private jet many times. As soon as she sat, say, God, who am I? Who am I? Not so long ago, I was hawking. I put a tray on my head, hawking on the streets. What am I doing here? And I was observing. Not only that, she had a note of thanksgiving. She would write it. She would type it. She would type it and put tears. She would write tears. I'm like, see, some other children of God, they give us bad name. Do you understand what I'm saying? You know the way, as a parent, maybe there are some things you don't really mind. But when one child does it well, and I'm like, you get what I'm saying? So I'm like, so all of us are children of God like this. So I just quietly faced the window. Lord, thank you. Lord, thank you. Thank you too. See, I repented from that thing. I repented. I'm generally a grateful person, but you get what I'm saying? Don't let God have to remind you. You know, when God reminded David, oh, wow, you're so great now. You've come a long way from when I removed you from watching few sheep. Now you have a whole nation as an audience. There was a time you were writing great songs and all your audience was sheep. Sheep. You wrote songs and only meh. That was all the response. And I picked you from there to the palace. I did that. Listen, I give you a few seconds. Thank God for 7 simple things. 7 simple things. 7 simple things. 7 things. 7 simple things. Do you realize when he chose you, he had options? When you chose me, you had options. Thank you. 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 Thank him for your health. Thank him for your job. Yes, that same job. The tough one. The one they've threatened to sack you from. Thank Him. Thank Him more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For the grace that you have given us, we can never repay you, but from our hearts, we like to say that we